When you're filming next to a window, it can be tricky trying to get that cinematic look. If I keep my aperture low to get that shallow depth of field, the window usually ends up looking blown out like this. To balance things out, I put an ND filter on my lens. That helps the window, but it also makes the subject look too dark. Now I need to bring some light back in. I bounce light off the wall to lift the shadows, to make it feel like the window is naturally filling the space. This gives me soft, realistic light without killing the mood. Next, I add a rim light to create separation and highlight the shoulder. This helps the subject stand out from the background. Finally, I add a creative touch. I use SmallRig's torch to project a blind pattern onto the wall. This adds texture, depth and the illusion of light streaming through the blind. This is the before image, and this is after. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please feel free to leave any questions, advice or tips in the comments.